Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to configure FTP server under Windows Server 2025. So you just need to follow me. So firstly I will open Server Manager. For that I just need to go to your start or search window and type Server Manager. Now click on Server Manager app. Once it will open, you just need to click on add roles and features, or else you can click over here and you will get add roles and features option. So click on that. Now here you just need to click on next. Now select here role based or feature based installation. So I will click on next. Now click on next once again. Now here make sure that you have selected, means checked, web server, IIS means Internet Information Service over here, as you can see. So click on add features, and after that click on next. Now here click on next, then next. Now here you just need to scroll down a little bit and you will get an option called FTP server. So check that option and click on next. After that you just need to click on install. Now it will take some time to install, so you have to wait for a few seconds. So after installation done, close this window. Now I'll minimize Server Manager. Now what I'll do is I will go to my start or search window and type lusrmgr.msc. So I will give you this command to my video description, or else you can type easily over here lusrmgr.msc, and after that press enter. Now I will create a new user for my FTP server. So I'll click on users from the left side. On my right side I'll right click and I will click on new user. Then I will type username test for an example, and I will set password for my test account, and I'll check all this option as of now and click on create. After done, close this window. Now as you can see, test user is showing over here. Now I'll close this window. Now I'll go to my computer, means this PC. Under this PC go under C drive, and here you will get a folder called inetpub. So double click on it, and after open you will get FTP root folder. So under that folder I will create a new folder. Folder name I will set like FTP underscore technology, and right click on that folder which I have created and go to properties. Now click on security. Now click on edit, and after that click on add. Now put your username over here, username and group names, and click on check names, and after that click on OK. Now test it added as you can successfully. Now I will give full control to this test account, and after that click on apply, then OK, then OK. Once it will done, I will open Server Manager and I will go to tools over here and click on IIS, which is Internet Information Service. After that you just need to right click on your machine over here on your left side and click on add FTP site. So I'll create FTP site. Site name I will type over here technology. So physical path I will click over here and I'll go under C drive, then inetpub, then FTP root. Now here I will select that folder which I have created, as you can see FTP technology. After that I will click on OK. Now click on next. Now here you just need to assign your IP address, means your server IP address. In my case it is 192.168.0.156. Port number should be 21. Now right now I will not add any SSL, so I will select over here no SSL and click on next. Now click on basic. Now you can select here all user or specified user and groups. So I'll click on specified users. Now I'll type my username over here, which is test, and I'll give read and write permission. Now click on finish. Once it will done, I will configure the firewall. For that I just need to go to my start or search window and type firewall.cpl. Okay, after type this command you just need to press enter. Now here just need to click on advanced settings, Now under advanced settings you will get inbound and outbound rules. So click on inbound rules from your left side. On your right side you have to click on new rules. Now here you just need to select the option which is predefined, and from this drop down list you just need to select over here FTP server. Now click on next. Now select all these rules, FTP server rules over here, and click on next. Then you have to select this option which is allow the connection. Now click on finish. Once it will done, you just need to restart your FTP server. So just select your FTP server from your left side. On your right side you will get a restart button. So click on restart. So after done, I will try to access that FTP server from my other machine. So I'll go to my start menu and type cmd, and after that I will open cmd. Now here I will type the command which is called ftp space then server IP address, which is in my case 192.168.0.156, and press enter. Now I'll put my username which is test and the password. So as you can see, I have logged in successfully. So now if I'll type dir, as you can see, no folder is showing under FTP folder. So I'll create one folder which is mkdir. The command is mkdir space then folder name, which is I'll type test. After that press enter. As you can see, it's showing test directory is created. So now I will type dir command once again, which is means directory. So now as you can see, test folder is showing over here. So I'll go back to my machine, server machine, and if I'll go under FTP technology folder, as you can see, test folder is successfully created. So I hope this quick tutorial was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.